10 to the power 0 is always equal to 1. For part B, if we see a negative power, the negative power means the reciprocal. In other words, to turn it upside down. If it's not already a fraction, meaning that 5 is the same as 5 over 1. Hence, turning it upside down, that becomes 1 over 5 squared. 5 squared is 5 times 5, which is 25. Hence, 5 to the power negative 2 is equal to 1 over 25. For part C, here we have 3/4 squared. If we've got a fraction inside, we apply the power to both the top and the bottom of the fraction separately. On the top, we're going to have 3 squared, and the bottom we're going to have 4 squared. 3 squared is 9, and 4 squared is 16. For question D, again we have a negative power. Negative power means the reciprocal. In other words, turn it upside down. Hence 5 over 8 is going to become 8 over 5. Then we write the power positive. Again, applying the power to both the top and the bottom separately. On the top we're going to have 8 squared, and the bottom we're going to have 5 squared. 8 squared is 64, and 5 squared is 25. For part E, a power of a half means the square root. Hence we're going to just square it at 49, which gives us 7. For question F, we have 32 to the power 3/5. When dealing with a fractional power, the number on the bottom of the fractional power represents the root, and we always do that first. Here we have 5 on the bottom, hence I'm going to do the 5th root of the base, which in this case is 32, and I always power to whatever number's on the top of the fractional power. So in this case, I have to cube my answer. The 5th root of 32 is 2, and 2 cubed will give us 8. For question G, we have 100 to the power negative a half. Again, because we've got a negative power, we must deal with the negative power first. Negative power means the reciprocal. As it's not already a fraction, we know 100 is the same as 100 over 1. Hence the negative power means we turn it upside down, so we have 1 over 100 to the power a half. Power a half means square root, and the square of 100 is 10. So our final answer is 1 over 10.